Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Google Play Store's region or country. So in order to do this, you need to head into your browser, as this cannot be done via the Play Store application. So once you're inside your browser, all you need to type is payments.google.com, and once you will type that, simply hit the enter button and wait for the page to load. And once the page has successfully loaded, simply click on these three horizontal lines present at the top left corner, and from here choose settings. Then once the setting page open up, simply scroll down and you can see this option, country or region. Simply click the pencil icon and click on the create new profile button. Once you do this, simply click on the continue button and then choose any country or region that you would like. And once that is done, you can simply click on the continue button, and here you can see that the new country has been added, and you can enter simply any address lines along with the city and postal code, and you are all set to go. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.